Affiliate earning $859.67 per day in affiliate marketing with free traffic. Whether you're using the ClickBank, Digistore24, Jevizu, and Varier Plus, any network that you are available for that, or it is available in your country and you are interested with that, you can basically use that and start making money with this specific strategy. The method that I'm going to share with you is 100% unique and 100% free method and free strategy that you can simply put time and energy into that, and you can maximize the result from that. So the method that I'm going to share with you is really amazing, and you have never seen before this method and this strategy, because that is a really brand new, because I'm going to share with you a new trick, a new strategy, and this method, and you can simply maximize the result from that. So the first and important thing is that you need to sign up with ClickBank right here, because I'm going to give you the example on the ClickBank, but if you are using any network, that is up to you. You can simply use right here, but I will just give you an example on the ClickBank. The first step is that to sign up with your preferred affiliate network, whether that is ClickBank, Digistore24, Varier Plus, or anyone. So you can first sign up. Once you sign up with that, then you can simply log into your account right here. Once you log into your account, then you can simply definitely go to the marketplace right away here. Once you go to the marketplace right here, then you can simply see the interface right here. For example, that you can simply see different products available right here. For example, like X, if you're yellow burn, Dentotox. Okay, so these are something weight loss products which is available and many people are using right here. So you can also use these and start promoting. But if you want to go with a specific method or specific product or offer that you need to promote, then for that reason you simply scroll down and you can see on the left side the main categories right here. So whenever any category is interested with you, or it is suitable with your network or suitable with your, for example, the topic that you are promoting, then you can simply choose that product right from here and start promoting. But basically in this today method, in the today's strategy, we can simply use the e-business and e-marketing category right here. So we can simply click on that. Once we click on that, then we will be redirected to another page which will be this, and they will be written the e-business and e-marketing right here, which is the main category. So make sure that you sort it right here by the gravity. It means the top product which is already converting and many people are promoting and they are earning money from that, so that will become on the top right here, and that's why it can help us to promote that product. For example, this is the one product, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and this is the gravity, something like 239 is the gravity, and at the beginning, and they have recurring commission and rebill actually, that we can earn the money, this amount of money every single month from this offer right here, again and again right here. So we can also have another offer right here, which is this one, the Click Wealth system, which is at the part of make money online or online business right here. So that is also a great product and awesome product right here, so that we can simply promote. But if we just look, they don't have the recurring commission right here, but still that is converting like crazy. So that's why we can just promote and start making money again and again and just promote to different people right here. So for the reason of promoting this offer is that actually that it is in the making money online niche that many people are showing their eagerness in nowadays world, that they can have a sustainable business online from their home or from their workstation right there. So that's why many people will just take action on this right here. So if we just click right here on the sales page and also show you the affiliate tools area right here. So here this will be the affiliate, the main sales page, that it is really converting because there is a video right here that people can simply just click right here on this video and they can watch the complete video for absolutely free. Whenever they are interested, they can take action. For example, like here, get instant action into that. And another coolest part is right here, for example, that they have $9 one-time only. So this is the money or the earning that they can simply just pay for that. $9 is nothing, so that's why that is really converting, and many people can get access into that, and we can earn money from that as a commission right here. So that's why it is a great product to promote with this specific strategy. If we just go to the affiliate tools area right here, so they have also provided us different things right here in different information, and they also give us information about that how much money we can get as an affiliate, and how we can just promote this offer right here. And this is something like the map for promoting our commission, like, or the pony layout is that, for example, that this is the amount of money that they need to pay, and we will earn the money from each single payments right here, as you can see here. So it is one of the great top clickbank offer that we can simply promote, and we can earn money from that. That a lot of people are already making money from that, so we can also make money from that right here. But how we can promote and how we can just make money from that? So once you reach to the top, the bottom right here, you can simply see here, click here if you have already subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, then you can simply add your name, email address, and clickbank ID, and then you can simply click on Pass Me My Affiliate Resources, and then you will be redirected to this page right here, for example, that you can simply scroll down, and here you can see your link, for example, that you can simply just copy and paste, and you can change, for example, this into your affiliate ID, and this one into, for example, your tracking ID, because that will be your clickbank link and affiliate link that you can simply promote whenever people purchase, so you will get commission. Another greatest part of this method and this product is right here, that they have different email swipe right here already written, so we can simply just copy and paste all these emails right from here, and we can simply promote right here. So they have different emails, templates, different emails that we can simply promote. At the back side, we can earn the money from that. And they also have the banners right here at the bottom. If you just click on that, you will be redirected to another page that they will have the different banners that you can simply download and re-upload to your promotion page, actually, that you can simply promote right here. So for the purpose of this method, we don't need much their affiliate tools area or affiliate tools, actually. So for that reason, what we need to do, we can simply have it the main sales page right here, and we can simply jump into the topic that we can simply promote right here. So the topic will be actually Twitter. Twitter is a brilliant website, actually, that we can simply start promoting. But in today's video, we are not using as usual. So today is something different, because I'm going to share with you a new trick, a new strategy that you can simply maximize the result from that right here. So for that reason, what we need to do, we can simply just have, for example, paste something in the search bar right here. For example, if I just paste it right here, the text, let me just paste it right here, okay? As you can see here, okay, what if you quit your job today? Give me 5 minutes and I will show you how you can generate your first paycheck online. And after returning this, then you can simply use the enter button right here, and then you can simply add your affiliate link, for example. So make sure that your affiliate link is not direct, for example, from the clickbank right here, that you can simply just go right here, for example, and you can simply click on the promote button and grab your link and paste it there. No, don't do that, okay? Because if you do that, sometimes the conversion will be not converted 100%, even if people purchase, so you will not get the commission. And another reason is that most of the time Twitter and other social media will ban you, and your account will be restricted, and that way you will not have any money from that. So I just recommend you to use a free landing page such as Linktree, WordPress, Blogger.com, or even WordPress.com. So these are all the free landing pages that you can simply just create one for absolutely free, and then you can embed your affiliate link into that, and you can then copy that link and start promoting right here. But I'm using a simple Linktree link, for example, a Linktree landing page I have just used, and I can simply just paste it right here and use it right here, for example, okay? So I can simply just close the preview right here, because we will also add an image right here, okay? So once you are done with that, the next step will be that, okay, that you can simply add a hashtags right here. Hashtags are one of the most important thing for promoting anything to the right way and to the right audience or to money audience right here, such as this link or such as, for example, this method that it is about making money online. So in that case, everybody would be willing into that to make money and create their job and just do whatever they want from their home, from their laptop or PC or something like that. So that's why we would recommend this offer to different people and they can take action on that. So for that reason, we need to use the trick right here. We just need to go to the website, which is, for example, trends24.in. So the main website address will be something like this one, okay? Trends24.in. So this is the main website address right here that you can simply use and Google, and then you will be redirected to this page right here. So once you redirect to this page right here, you will see the page like this one. At the top, you can see, for example, worldwide, but you can simply, if you're targeting the specific country or the specific location, then you can simply choose any country or any location you want. For example, you can simply choose that country or that location, and you will target that really easily without any experience, without any hesitation, or without any problem right here. But if you don't want, if you need worldwide, so for that reason, you just need to select, for example, worldwide, and you will have these hashtags right here, for example. And the last 30 minutes, for example, these hashtags are really powerful and they are trending now. And the last 1 hour, these hashtags, and the last 2 hours, these hashtags are trending on Twitter right here. So we need to just go with less amount of time, for example, which is trending, which is this one at the last 30 times. So we can simply click on that. Then we will have this box right here, and we can simply just click on the copy button, and we can simply copy that and then come back right here and paste it right here. Okay. So once we let me just do like this, okay, trending, and then we can go and check for another one right here. Okay, so one by one we can simply paste it right here. So once we paste it all right here, the next step will be that we can simply just use and promote our offer in front of different people. So this was one, this is the second one. For example, we can simply just copy this one also right here. So there will be the second one. For example, we can simply just click on that and right click on that, and then we can simply go to Twitter right here, and we can simply just click on the paste right here. Okay, so this one doesn't have the hashtag, so we need to add the hashtag right here. So it will pop up right here and show us, then we can simply click and that will be added right here. So by this one we can simply move to the next one right here. So for that reason, we just need to click one by one right here, and we can simply just copy all these hashtags because these are the worldwide hashtags, and we can simply just promote right here. Okay, so and I will show you also that how it is working and how people are just making money from that really easily and without anything right here. Okay, so this is the third one, and this is the fourth one. Okay, so this is also not a hashtag. Sometimes they are using also the user, for example, that they can simply use. So for the user, you need to use this bracket, sorry, this sign right here, and then you can simply use that. Okay, if it is anyone, you can simply use that or target that one. So if you're using as a hashtag, you can also use the hashtag, and you can simply select that, and you can just, in the last 30 minutes that is trending, so that's why we can simply use right here one by one. So I will just show you just show you some example right here, but you try your best to use all the hashtags and mention in your tweets right here. Okay, so as you can see here, I have added another one right here. Let me go with one more. For example, this one will be another one. I can simply add it quickly a little bit. So you can have up to 10 hashtag in every one right here. So we can simply just click on that and just copy that. So that is as simple as this right here. So once you reach to the top, for example, up to 10 or something like that, you reach that, you use our link, and then you can also use an image that it can work for you. For example, this is the image. I just need to add it into that. So my tweet is ready now. I can simply just click on the tweet right here. So once I click on the tweet right here, so that will be tweeted and that will be available on Twitter right here. But after some time, if I just refresh the page and I just use right here, for example, I just go to this button right here, but we need to wait for some time right here that they can get some infringement, something like that. As you can see here, I just posted right here a couple of seconds before, and I have now 9 impressions. So after an hour, if you just see here, that will be 100 and thousands of impressions and also engagements and links, clicks available right here. But right now, in only 24 seconds, right here, you can see on only 24 seconds, 9 impressions we got. So this is really a powerful method that you can simply use and start making money from that. So just use the trick and the strategy consistently and start making money from today. Hope you like the method and you are interested with that. If you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button as an appreciation. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next great video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.